Welcome back to Good Morning Hawaii. Time now is 6:23, and if you're a teacher looking to bring more excitement into your STEM lessons, here's something to consider. The University of Hawaii is expanding its toolkits for teachers lending library ahead of the 2025-2026 school year.
This is great. The program offers nearly 100 toolkits, everything from 3D printers and robotics kits to rain simulators and wave tanks. I know you and Tyzer are geeking out completely over this, right? This is the best part, available at no cost for Hawaii's K-12 educators. The goal is to give students hands-on experience with real-world science, engineering, and technology.
Using those tools, using that equipment, engaging that way, it's giving students the opportunity to be scientists, to be engineers, to be computer scientists or mathematicians, so that they're actually asking questions, they're collecting data, they're analyzing their data, they're working together in a community.
And many of the kits are based on research by UH scientists, like coral bleaching and wave energy experiments. Educators can borrow the kits through the Pre-Academy's Manoa office Monday through Friday, and we have more details online at KITV.com. Just search UH STEM. Oh, look at that. See, I'm geeking out now, too. Who wouldn't?